What's up, Amazon KDP publishers, self-publishers? Anyways, today I got a brand new niche in the low content market. Now, I want to preface this by saying do not create a general planner or tracker when it comes to low content. When it comes to like mid or high, then that's fine. You can go after that. But when it comes to low content, you got to be micro in your niche. Now, someone in my comment section brought up a really good point. Well, you can buy a tracker or a logbook at Walmart for $5. That's true. That's why you got to go after these micro niches. In my last video, I made a video and I showed you about the migraine tracker niche on Amazon. Now go ahead. You can go to Target right now, Walmart right now. You won't find a migraine tracker logbook. That's why there's a giant hole to be filled, and Amazon fills that hole because there's a bunch of these little micro niches in the low content market that we can all exploit. We can all fulfill with actual products, okay? And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you a brand new micro niche in the tracker logbook diary type of journal market. And I'm going to show you how to create it. And I'm going to show you a different way, a way to up the value of your low content book. So if you're interested in that, let me know down below. Anyways, I'm going to show you right now. Let me scale myself down. Now, to create a account with Bose Paws is 100% free. We have a plethora of free tools right here. This one here, Tool Shelf, has a ton of other tools inside of it. I highly recommend, if you're not a member yet, go in, become a member, and you'll see for yourself. Okay, but for the tool we want, I want to go to Techo. Techo means like tracker or diary, okay, in Japanese, royalty. You want to launch that app. Now, before that, I want to give proof of this niche that I found for you. Check it out. BJJ Journal. BJJ stands for Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. It's something I've done myself for many years, almost 8 years. And there's a good amount of, There's a good amount of search for it, as I'm going to show you right here. BJ Journal on Amazon as well. By the way, this tool is 100% free. I'll have a link for it down below. I get access to this. And here we go, BJ Journal as well. As you can see, the result count is only 155, which is great news for you and I, okay? And over here, you can see, of course, this isn't a huge market, okay? But people do buy these books. Look at these reviews. People are buying these reviews, okay? But I'm gonna show you a way to up the value, okay? So here I am inside of Techo, okay? Now, of course, you wanna create a book with bulk. Now, if you notice, if I go to handpicked here, and there's a 434 templates. Remember, each template is a different micro niche. But if I put in BJJ, you're not going to find anything, okay? You're not going to find anything, okay? So what I want to do here is use the AI tool here. Now, I want to put in BJJ Journal. Journal, okay. And I'm going to put all fresh AI pages, content rich. I want structural black trackers, and give me a real plan. Okay. And now it's creating the book for me. And this is amazing, guys. Check it out. You get profile and lineage. Now, lineage in BJJ means who was your teacher's teacher? How far can you trace yourself back up to the founder of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu? Okay. Goals and blueprint. Maybe you're a blue belt and you want to become a purple belt. How do you get to that? Certain academies have a structured form of getting to a higher belt. Most of the schools you just have to put in the hours, put in the reps. But that's for a different topic. Daily training log. Okay, what you're doing on a daily basis, how many drills you're performing. So this is very accurate, right? As a BJJ person, I can tell you right now, this is very accurate. Build 50 pages. So now it's going to go ahead. Now that it has the blueprint, the structure, going to go ahead and create a very specific type of micro niche logbook for BJJ practitioners, right? Which is really cool. And here we go. We got the grappler profile, right? Which is really cool because, well, you're a grappler. If you do BJJ, if you're a wrestler, if you do catch wrestling, you're a grappler, which is cool. You got your academy, you got a head professor. This is all accurate. Now I'm telling you this as a practitioner because I want to let you know this is actually legit stuff people are looking for, right? So you might listen, if you know your niche, by all means get in it, right? If you, for example, I like history, so crosswords is a great niche for me because I know what I would want in a history-based crossword puzzle book, and I know what actual practitioners, for example, of BJJ would be looking for, right? It's really cool. You got belt and rank. I mean, this is amazing. And the AI did all of it for me. Again, a micro niche that you won't find in Target, you won't find in Walmart. It's very difficult to fulfill. And here you have it. Instead of spending hours upon hours, hell, weeks on Canva or getting someone on Fiverr to do it for you, boom, AI does it for you like that, which is really cool. Okay, this is let me back out. Let me export. I'm going to export as a single PDF. Okay, now all I have to do is create the book cover. Okay, create the book cover using, of course, I have a book cover video down below. I'll show you, or you can find it in the pinned video section down below as well. And that's it, right? You create your book cover, you upload it, and you have a professional micro niche low content book. Now I repeat, when it comes to low content, you want to go micro niche with it. Okay, you don't want to go general like you would with mid content or with high content. Remember that. Okay, now for today's question, what activity or sport did you play when you were, what activity or sport do you do now or did you do in the past that you actually enjoyed? Okay, let me know this is the only way I know that you've watched to the very end. So humor me, okay? What sport or exercise or what activity have you done or do you still do? Let me know down below. And let me know if you haven't done anything. That's also cool. I want to know. Maybe you're not a sporty type of person or you're not into exercise. Let me know down below. Okay, be good. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Be good. Thank you.